Import the SVG file for the first set of numbers you wish to create. Click the Upload button. Then click Upload Image. Click the Browse button. Then navigate and select the first file you wish to create. Now click the Open button. If desired, enter a tag. And click Save. Select the image you just uploaded and click Insert Images. Notice in the Layers panel, you have two layers. If you click the eye icon on the first one, you'll see the numbers disappear. I'll do it again. The other layer contains the cut objects. The numbers we're going to draw with a pen. So with that layer selected, and you can see that it's selected because it's gray, go to the line type and change it from cut to draw. Now select all of the objects and click the Attach button. This will keep them together when we send them to the mat. Now click the Make It button. This project was designed to fit on 8.5 by 11-inch paper. Go ahead and load a sheet onto your mat and click the Continue button. Select the type of cardstock you are using, and if you have an Air 1, load the pen now, and you'll be prompted to switch to the fine point blade when it's time to cut. If you have an Air 2 or a Maker, you can load the pen you would like to use in clamp A and your fine point blade in clamp B, and the machine will automatically switch when it's time. Go ahead and load your mat and run the job. Your Cricut will draw the numbers using a single line font, and when it's finished, the Cricut will cut them out.